Hello everyone, welcome to winter in northeast China. It's already minus 20 degrees and I'm freezing, but the temperature here can drop as low as minus 30 plus degrees. The morning market in front of us is a natural super fridge. It holds the life wisdom passed down from ancient time. And today I will take you to unlock the unique joy of northeast China's frozen treats. Let's go. Guess what fruit is this? Here's the answer. This black thing is the frozen pear. Can you imagine what it looked like before? It turns like this after repeated freezing and thawing. This big frozen persimmon is made by freezing fresh persimmons. Listen to the sound when they bump into each other. In northeast China's winter morning markets, everything can be frozen. Besides fruits, things like pork, ice cream, and seafood can be frozen and preserved in seconds when left outside. This minus tens of degrees weather is the northeast people's cheapest and most natural big fridge, practical and soulful. You see, northeast China's winters are cold, but people's lives are happy. What started as a necessary way to stock up supplies in the past has now become a beloved local delicacy. This is the northeast people's optimistic life attitude, as well as their simple warmth and wisdom. Okay, let's go home. I can't wait to taste these special frozen pears and persimmons.